Hey, how's it going, Carrie? My name is Devin. I just got off the phone with Kathy. Thank you for clicking on this video. I'm just going to briefly show you 3 things you can do on your website so you can start beating Ridge Energy, who shows up on the first page when somebody types in air conditioning repair Lake Wells, Florida. I know you're probably wondering why I'd even make this video for you, and it's super simple. I found out a little while ago that most business owners are so busy running their business, they don't have time to learn how to make the internet bring them more business. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who is not. So I found that when I make these attack plans and I just give them away for free, a lot of business owners end up calling me back going, "Hey Devin, I like you. Can you just do this stuff for me?" Whatever you want to do with this information is totally okay with me. My only goal is to educate as many business owners as I possibly can. I'm going to talk to you today about 3 things: content, backlinks, and citations. And I was looking over your website and I really like the design you guys have with it so far. It's a beautiful view. I like that the colors are all nice and cool. That nice blue look. You got a picture of you right up front, which helps build trust. It's a really great looking website from a design point of view. What Google cares mostly about is this stuff right here, all this content that you can read, because the more content you have on the page, the more likely someone's going to stay on your page for a long time, which is what Google's goal is. So the average website on the front page of Google has about 2,000 words. I took your website homepage and put it into a counter, and you have 745 words. So you're going to definitely want to get this up to that 2,000 word mark to make sure you blow your competition out of the water. Now, you also want to do one more thing. You want to put keywords inside of your content. A keyword is a phrase like that somebody searches into Google to find your business, such as air conditioning repair Lake Wells, Florida. So if I copy this and I go over and I search your page, you can see that you don't have that on your page whatsoever anywhere. It's 0 times. So when you write those extra content to get yourself up to 2,000 words, make sure you put keywords like that inside of it. So that's my first tip. My second tip is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website on the internet is linking to you, driving traffic to you. This is really important. Google's kind of like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of other trustworthy websites vouching for you. Keep in mind they want to see relevant links. So they're going to give you a lot more power if you have another, like, let's say, HVAC company linking to you versus if you had like Pizza Hut linking to you. Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool that I use to check this out is called Ahrefs. You don't have to pay for this tool. There's free tools out there. But you just, type in backlink checker on Google or keyword planner. You can find all this stuff. But it says that you currently have 55 websites linking to you, while Ridge Energy only has 56 linking to them. That's only one more than you. But the biggest reason why they're outranking you is the type of links they have. Their links are a lot more powerful from much more trustworthy websites, while yours are coming from non-trustworthy websites. So what I would recommend you did was go see the list of all the websites that are linking to them and get those websites linking back to you, because if the links are good enough for them, they're good enough to rank you as well. And especially stuff like this, like repair air conditioning, all temp HVAC, Lake Wales, like these are all very relevant websites that are linking to them. So you want to have those kind of websites linking to you. Once you beat them with those 2 tips, with the content and with the backlinks, that's how you beat them organically. If you want to be number 1 for the ads, you just need to bid higher than your competitors. But the last place you can show up, and really the best place to show up, is right here in the map pack. This is where the most traffic goes, and getting here just requires having more citations than your competitors. A citation is anywhere where your name, your address, and your phone number is listed in a directory on the internet. And a directory is a website that allows you to list your business's information, such as like Yelp and Yellow Pages, and Facebook even has a directory nowadays. So what I would recommend for you is figure out what directories Ridge Energy is listed in, and then I'd list myself on those same ones plus a bunch more. So if they were in 150 directories, I'd be putting myself in 300. And that's all I've got for you, Carrie. I tried to keep this short and to the point. I hope you found it helpful. As a quick recap, you want 2,000 words on this homepage with keywords inside the content. You want to have, I would just go figure out what websites are linking to Ridge Energy and go put links to those websites or from those websites onto your page. And then put your name, address, and phone number in more directories and Ridge Energy savers. And if you follow those 3 tips, that's how you become number 1 across all of Google. So I would recommend what you did was you get started on this right away, because it does take some time to implement everything, and the sooner you get started, the sooner you start profiting off your work. If you have any extra questions, or if you just don't want to do it, you want someone else to handle it for you, give me a phone call. My phone number is right down here at the bottom right. I'd be glad to answer any questions you may have. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, Carrie. Looking forward to your feedback. Bye.